let's watch Kaniel in action. He's a KG2 student and he is on the first grade of Kannapega, and he must have been with me for the past 3 months or so. See the confidence with which he is able to play. As he plays, I shall try to give you some commentary. Kaniel, let's begin. See the ease with which he is able to change the chord. You have done a good job. Look here. Very good. Now, for example, he is moving on to the next lesson. And in our methodology, the very first step is to set the keyboard. And see the ease with which he is able to set the keyboard. Can you, let's see, set the keyboard. Voice. Tempo. And then those two buttons, synchro and yes. Okay. Now the second step is to do the numerical counting. So you can just press C chord and start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Yes, set it properly. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the numerical counting is over, this is the third step. They are supposed to go on with the alphabetical counting. So they begin the alphabetical counting. C, E, F, G, 2, 3, 4, G. C, E, F, G, 2, 3, 4, G. C, E, F, G, 2, E, 2, C, 2, E, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, D, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, G, 2, G, F, 2, 4. Okay. Now the next step is exactly to do the reading on the keyboard. And let's hear how Kaniel goes about with that. Kaniel, let's begin. C with the first finger 1 count, E with the third finger 1 count, F with the fourth finger 1 count, G with the fifth finger 4 counts, G with the fifth finger 1 count because there is a tie. Again, C with the first finger 1 count, E with the third finger 1 count, F with the fourth finger 1 count, G with the fifth finger 4 count, G with the fifth finger 1 count because there is a tie again. Then C with the first finger 1 count, E with the third finger 1 count, F with the fourth finger 1 count, G with the fifth finger 2 counts, E with the third finger 2 counts, C with the first finger 2 counts, E with the third finger 2 count, D with the second finger 4 count, D with the second finger 1 count again because there is a tie. Then E with the third finger 1 count, E with the third finger 1 count, D with the second finger 1 count, C with the first finger 4 counts, E with the third finger 2 count, G with the fifth finger 2 count, G with the fifth finger 1 count, F with the fourth finger 3 counts, F with the fourth finger 2 count, E with the third finger 1 count, F with the fourth finger 1 count, G with the fifth finger 2 counts, E with the third finger 2 count, C with the first finger 2 count, D with the second finger 2 count, C with the first finger 4 count, C with the first finger 1 count. Now the idea of this particular reading is that they get familiar with the passage and they easily learn to interpret in the long run. At a later stage, all this reading, counting and playing, everything comes together. But definitely you got to go slow as a beginner. And reading of this or telling themselves what they are supposed to do on the keyboard definitely goes a long way towards making the passage familiar to them. So at a later stage when they have to play, they'll find it easy. Can you? Good. The next step in our methodology is exactly the chord practice, and see the ease with which Daniel is able to move from chord to chord as it is written in the passage that he is supposed to perform. So Daniel, let's begin. C2